it. Part 5. I'll eat really fast. Mmm. Happen. I think Chinese eat congee, the white rice, something like that, porridge. Korean eats something like that too, but only when they sick. Not every day. I think congee, the Chinese food, is their breakfast food. Korean eats the porridge when they're sick, you know, either hospital or at home. If they feel sick, they eat the porridge, white rice porridge. But these days, this can be a diet food, you know, very low in calorie, because there's a lot of moisture, not a lot of density of rice. So it can be diet food. Less carbohydrate. And easy to swallow. You don't have to chew anything, just like swallow. Mmm. You know, I like this Bonjuk restaurant because they don't put a lot of like edited, like, except the extra ingredient. That's why I like it. No MSG, no salt. There's no salt in the Myung porridge because you're gonna eat with the banchan anyway, side dishes. Korean loves banchan, you know. We can't eat something without banchan. We always coordinate with the banchan side dishes. That's Korean. We can't eat rice, only rice. has to have some soup, side dish, meat, something like that. And then the amount of like the banchan we call chop, you know. So 2 chop, set chop. Set chop is 3 dishes. Net chop is 4 dishes. So it's like the king, Dynasty of Lee, the Josun King had a bunch of banchan side dishes for one table, one serving of food. And then the leftover, all the palace people eat. King's leftover. because King has to have every meal has to be fresh out of the kitchen. So he can't eat the leftover. Oh, so funny. Even his underwear every day, his socks, you know, has to make new one every day. So like, I think that there's a lot of like conflicts and then competition between who's gonna get that underwear, who's gonna get that the socks, the Kings, you know. But he has to have all the time new. There was a movie about that. What was the name? Gwang-hae or something? I don't know. I'm gonna put that in the description box, okay? You can watch. It's really funny. Almost finishing. Okay. Voila! Finished! Finished! Noodle finished! Just the soup. Okay, everything finished today. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I finished. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. You guys are awesome. And I'll see you soon with either vlog or mukbang, okay? I'm gonna film another mukbang. It's not really mukbang, more like vlog with my husband later on today. Okay, so I'll see you. Bye!